arbitrationagreements.org. Hey there, folks. Today, let's delve into a topic that's often on many people's minds when considering mediation, and that's who foots the bill. Now we are all about breaking this down in a relaxed, casual chat. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's navigate this together. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics which can help you keep costs low. So when we decide to go through mediation, one of the first things that pop up is the cost involved, right? Let's break it down into digestible bits, shall we? Now, we know that the world of alternative dispute resolution can sometimes feel a little complex. Yet the cost structure of mediation is actually quite straightforward, and it differs quite significantly from the traditional court process. In most cases, the parties involved share the cost. Yes, you heard that right. It's typically a 50-50 split. Before we venture further, did we know that around 80% of mediations end in resolution? That's a pretty impressive statistic and one that underlines the effectiveness of this approach. Keeping that in mind, sharing the cost seems like a fair deal, doesn't it? Now let's chat about the specifics. In many instances, we will find that the mediator charges a fee, which is usually based on an hourly or daily rate. It's common practice for this cost to be divided equally among the parties involved, although sometimes the parties decide to divide the costs differently, based on agreements they reach amongst themselves. It's all about finding that balance and what works best for everyone involved. If you want to learn more information about mediation, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. Also, what do you think about mediation? Does it seem like a solid alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.